up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so for today's video, I am showing you guys this bomb, extremely versatile headband wig. Yes, I have on a headband wig right now. I bet y'all didn't even know, okay? Y'all probably thought I had on a ponytail, or maybe y'all thought it was my natural hair, okay? I don't know, but this is a headband wig, an extremely versatile kinky curly headband wig from a company called Headwrapbabe. They reached out to your girl and sent me this gorgeous hair, and I am in love. It's this really cute kinky curly afro-ish like headband wig. It is so cute. It is extremely versatile. I'm going to show you guys so many styles with the hair. Like, you guys, I switched up the styles with this hair. It gives off like natural hair vibes, and I am loving it. Like, I am living for this look because it's so different, but it's so cute because I'm so used to wearing, like, you know, long curly hair and all this stuff, but this is a vibe. So if you guys want to see all the different ways I was able to style this gorgeous headband wig, then just keep on watching. All right, so we are going to get right into this headband wig install. So the hair comes packaged in a, you know, plastic baggie with the hair, and we also got a really cute headscarf. This website has tons of different types of natural hairstyles, as well as a bunch of different hair scarves. So this is the one that I had picked out. So it's this really cute, almost like Aztec print. So I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging so you guys can see. But it is super pretty. This is such a gorgeous print. It has bright colors. I absolutely love this. This is so my style. And then we have the headband wig itself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the hair. The hair is like this kinky curly texture, definitely mimics like natural hair. So it does come wrapped up in like a netted cap. So I'm just gonna take this cap off, like so. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. It's this kinky, curly texture that really mimics African American hair. It has these cute like coils and curls, and you can definitely like comb this out to make it more poofy or keep it in this like kinky curly texture. It is a headband wig, so we do have the headband wig here with the Velcro straps in the back. The construction of the wig has 2 combs here at the sides and then 1 comb here in the back. And there's no adjustable straps or anything, but you do have the Velcro straps at the side. So we are gonna go ahead and put this wig on. I'm really excited. I've never done any hair like this before, anything like kinky curly, anything that mimics like a natural hair. So I'm really excited to try this on. It looks like it's gonna be very easy breezy, and the website specializes in affordable, easy breezy, get up and go hair. So they have lots of different styles and textures and stuff. This is synthetic hair, by the way. It is not real human hair. It is synthetic hair. That's what helps keep them super affordable. So let's go on and put on this wig. So as you guys can see, I already have like my wig cap on and everything. I didn't really do anything fancy with my edges, to be honest. I didn't do any gel or anything because I knew I was going to be tying it up with the scarf. So my edges aren't really done. I am going to push my wig cap back a little bit, so a little bit of my edges are exposed. And we're just going to put this on like so. I'm going to stick the combs in the sides like that, and I'm gonna put the comb in the back. This wig is very big head friendly. It feels very comfortable on. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and fix the Velcro straps. Okay, so I feel like I'm giving off like auntie vibes, okay? Church auntie vibes, which ain't nothing wrong with having some church auntie vibes, okay? But this hair is definitely super full. So I'm just gonna play around with it a little bit, kind of see how I wanna style it. So let's see. All right, so here's what the hair is looking like straight out of the packaging. It's very big and poofy. It definitely mimics like natural hair, African American hair, for type 4 hair, whether it's 4A, 4B, 4C. It's definitely giving like Afro vibe, naturalista vibe, which is a very cute. So this is synthetic hair, but I am gonna go ahead and spray it with water just so I can tame the hair a bit, and then we're gonna get into styling. Okay, so I have my spray bottle here, and I'm just gonna spray the hair a little bit just so I can tame the hair a little bit more. Okay, so after wetting the hair and kind of playing with it for a little bit, this is what she's looking like. I kind of just pulled her down to the sides and kind of just made sure there was a lot of body like in the sides of the hair. So I think this is really cute, definitely giving natural hair vibes. Like, we love looking natural. Okay, this definitely mimics natural hair. So I am gonna go in with the headscarf and try to tie the hair up and try some different hairstyles. So the first style I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap it up like a regular headband, like nothing fancy, nothing special. So I'm actually gonna start off in the back. I'm gonna start off in the back, and I'm gonna bring the headscarf up to the front, and I'm just gonna twist it like twice just to make a little like knotted style, and then I'm going to tie it back into the back of my head. And then I'm just gonna make like a little knot back here. Then I'm just gonna pull it back a little just so my edges are exposed. And here is the first look. This is super pretty. I really love this headscarf. I love the prints on it. So this is definitely a look. Okay, so for the second style, I'm just gonna catch up some of the hair at the top to do like a half up, half down style. So since the hair is already wrapped up with the headscarf, I'm just gonna take a section of hair at the top. So I'm just gonna section off some hair. So here is the second hairstyle, this half up, half down look. I just caught it up in a ponytail, and then I just kind of fixed the hair on the sides and in the ponytail. And you guys, this is so cute. I love this. This style is just giving me life. Like, I love this style. Okay, so for the third style, I'm just gonna put this in like a top knot bun and a messy bun. So I'm just gonna take the hair and I'm just gonna like wrap it around itself like this and just make like a little bun at the top, and I'm just going to fluff up the hair in the back. So here is what this top knot bun style looks like. Super easy, you just wrap the hair around each other, and the bun is very sturdy because I move it in my head and it is not budging. So here is the next style. Okay, so for the next style, I'm just gonna catch everything up into a nice high ponytail. So I'm just gonna take all of the hair and I'm just gonna catch it up in a ponytail up at the top of my head. So for this, I feel like my hair scrunchie is not gonna be big enough because this is a lot of hair, you guys. Like, it is a lot of hair. So I don't know if I'll be able to use my hair scrunchie to catch everything up, but we are going to try. So let's see, even if I can only get it around once, that'll be sufficient. And I'm just doing a really high ponytail at the top of my head. So here is the next style. You guys, this look is so cute. It's definitely like natural hair, like it's just giving natural hair vibe. I love it. And the way I tied up the headscarf in the back covers up everything back here, so you can't see the headband. You just have my knot here, and the headband just comes all the way around. So this look is so cute. I absolutely love this. This is just a vibe. So to be honest, I think I'm gonna keep the hair like this because I think this is so cute. Like this style is just giving me everything. It looks so natural. This looks like real hair. Like this was my natural hair. I wish my natural hair was this length because this would be so cute. Like I really wish my natural hair actually looked like this. Okay, my natural hair is not this long. It is not this full, but we're gonna work on it, okay? Because maybe we can get this for real in real life. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. A special thanks again to Headwrapbabe for sending me this gorgeous, extremely versatile headband wig, okay? Because y'all, if y'all just saw this for the first time, y'all wouldn't even know this is a headband wig, okay? Y'all might have thought it was like a ponytail, or maybe you thought it was my natural hair. Okay, this is not giving off headband wig vibes, so I'm absolutely loving it. So special shout out to Headwrapbabe for sending me this wig. I will have all the links and everything down in the description box, so make sure you guys go and check it out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what you guys are thinking. Are we liking the hair? Are we liking the styles? What are we thinking? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel because we have fun here on this channel. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so y'all can join the fun, join the crew, join the squad. Okay, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.